The second question, why did I choose this technology for this application that I'm doing? So I'm doing the childbirth education class final assignment where students have to teach a class, and I've chosen a video for it. The reason I chose the video or the webcast, people can choose, is because sometimes my students that I'm working with are midwives. They might get called out to a birth. They can't be guaranteed to be at anywhere at any particular time, which is going to be true for them for the rest of their career. So I need to give students a flexible option so that they don't absolutely need to be at a certain place at a certain time. But I also want to give people a deadline for those people that know that they need it, so that there are class times set up and we work that over a webcam. And then there are students, the other students in the class act as parents participating in their childbirth education class, so I can see the interaction between the teacher and students, even though it's not as good as if everybody's all in the same room. The other option is if people upload a video, so they have to take a video of themselves teaching a class and they can upload a video for that. There's a couple of ways that they can do that. They can actually take the computer or the device that they have to the class and use the apps that are built within the LMS to record, or they can record just using their normal phone video, and then they can upload that file. So I've chosen it, I guess, for ease, because it's something that most people know how to do. Recording a video on their phone is something that people have at least played with a little bit as a general rule. And also the flexibility of not having to be in a certain spot at a certain time. And also because this also gives the learning objective of having to stand up in front of a group of people and teach. It's not quite the same over a video connection as it is face-to-face, but in some ways that's kind of the closest we can get. But having to stand up in front of their class and teach and present to a group of people is obviously a main objective when it comes to learning childbirth education.